Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to bring you guys along with me as I go penny shopping at the Dollar Tree to look and try to find some more penny items. So come tag along with me. So I remember that these Wishkins are definitely a penny. I've gotten them at a different store. I don't even see any more in here. Ooh, there's like a junk pile up in here. This is something holidays, I think. It's Christmas, but it's still regular price. Don't see anything down here. Yeah, I don't think there are any more. Oh, okay. Spoke too soon. Y'all know these clothes are a penny. I'm gonna leave them behind though. I'll show you guys. They are a penny product not found. I just have so many of these, and but it's that one and this one, and I've never seen this one. Let me try. See if it's this one. No, that one's regular price. But those are. I've been wanting one of those puzzles. I haven't came across any of those puzzles. They come in like a triangle packet. Somebody was telling me I passed it up in another store I was in, so I still haven't seen them yet. So at this store, I did find tons of the bicycle reefs that are a penny. It seems like every Dollar Tree that I'm going into has like a whole bunch of these reefs still out that are a penny. I just didn't need them. I left them behind for the next penny shopper. And the 4th of July stuff was regular priced. Even though they put out some old stuff from last year that have pennied and new stuff, that stuff was full price. So I left it behind. If you're liking the content so far, please hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe button. Make sure you turn the notifications on so you can always be notified when I do my penny drops. This week I'm going to upload some members only content, and it's just me going on even bigger Dollar Tree penny hauls and hunts and finding other deals that I'm not going to post to the general public. It's only going to be for my members. So if you're serious about penny shopping at the Dollar Tree, hit the join membership. I'll show you all of the tips and tricks to penny shop at the Dollar Tree. I'll drop the weekly Dollar Tree penny list as I get it, and you'll be the first to know. I'll show you how to find penny items, all of that, all of the questions, tips, tricks that you want to know. It'll be in my members. So if that's something you're interested in, hit the join button. Did go and check out their book aisle. It was so neatly organized that I felt like somebody had probably already taken all of the penny items out, but I do know that this Happy Easter book is a penny because I've gotten it a few times, and this Three Billy Goats Gruff book is a penny. So I just kept it short with looking for the books that I knew for sure were a penny. I didn't, try to find any new stuff. Because even though when you do scan the books and they say product not found, sometimes they are full price. So the books are a little bit trickier. So I just grabbed what I knew for sure was a penny. So I think I finally found one of the knives that are a penny. Let me rescan to be sure. Because like this wrapping sticks out from all the other ones. There's no other light blue one, so it might be a penny. A little discouraged at their scrunchies because look, this is the smallest scrunchie I've ever seen, but these are product not found. Oh, there's more scrunchies down there. Okay, I was about to say, like, this is crazy. Okay. I'm gonna probably work on the nail polishes because I have been having luck with those, and I know how to scout those out. And it's always the colors that are not cute. Isn't that something? It's never the pinks or the girly colors. It's like the dull colors, but whatever. Okay, so this one, I normally grab one of these empty containers and stash them in there. But for now, I'll just put them in my cart. I've never found any with this little thing attached to it. It's always just the ones by itself. And it's always this brand, Believe. But I just want to make sure it's not dried out. Yeah, Believe. Please believe. Oh, that's not Believe. That's something else. It looks like it. That's not it. I think this is. Ooh, Believe bin. Okay. Probably gonna be most of these in here, except for this. What is this? You can have a scan. Okay, so I know that Believe brand is all a penny, so I'm not even gonna spot check. But this one, yeah, let me see. It's probably a penny. Yeah. Okay, so probably these ones too. This one, and then let's see. Let's spot check one of these. Oh shoot! Is it all of these? Okay. Okay, so these. Not my meta glasses. Okay. Let's see if it's these ones. No. Yo, is it this whole? Not that one. It might be all of these in here. Oh, no, I got excited. Okay, so it's gonna be this one that says 915. So maybe this one. This is a ghetto Dollar Tree. I'm hearing a lot of workers' conversation. Ghetto. Okay, so those. Let me take. This was my box too. And then let me see. Let me just do these bottom shelves inside. So this one, is it dried out though? 948. Yeah, this one's dried out though. Oh, okay. My first time finding the pink one. That one. Let's see if there's any of these. This one. That one too. Let's see. On this side. So this one. So on the scrunchie off, found these up here that are penny. They don't really look like they have a lot of items on this aisle. I can barely even reach the ones that I'm finding. Let me see. It's $1.25. But I came out really well with the nail polishes. Like I racked up. I got like 3 cartons, and I left some behind because I couldn't keep bending down. But I got at least 50. What I noticed about the nail polishes is the ones with the stickers on the side, not on the top. If that makes sense, they have some on the top and then on the side. So that's how I was able to find them. And they're ooh, I'm gonna put this one back. I actually need to go through them because they are dried out, but they're Candy Moyo. Some are dried out. So off camera. I'm gonna look through them. But Candy Milio and then this Believe brand. So, and like I said, I think most of their scrunchies are gone, which is cool. But I'll look through a few.
Look, he's happy. Look, he's happy.
Oh, this is cool.
Look, he's sad.
Okay, yeah, I think now as soon as I go over there, sent an employee over there, so they've been watching me. That's cool. Whatever, I already got them. So when I came back to put that dry one back, of course I had to scan some more. Like I said, I left them behind, but yeah, these ones, the stickers on the side opposed to like that one, the stickers on the top. So that's how I was able to tell by a quick glance. Okay, so I'm done with the nail polish for real. Got a lot of nail polishes. I just need to be shaken up. Okay, hello summer. This is a peony. Never seen that one. That's cute. Let me try this metal stuff. Okay, that's full price. Here's by the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably grab most of these. Probably the whole box. These look like the penny ones. Spot check a few. I don't know what this one is. This smushed. But, yeah. So they have the wig in here, but you need to have the toys to go with it to get it. So I'm gonna pass on that. I don't see nothing here. Now, I did get some of these before. I'm just not liking the way they look, like the presentation. Anything even in here? These are a penny, but just they don't look too hot. Maybe this one. The rest are kind of beat up, so sorry to leave these behind. Yeah. I've seen our notes. Okay, this looks fun over here. Also looks a mess. Ooh. I've been wanting this. I know that this is a penny, but every time I see it in the stores, it looks dirty. Like that's a piece of, not a piece of gum, but something I don't want in my house. Penny. Regular price. Regular price. Okay. Ooh, they got a lot of books. Well, a lot of coloring books. This is just a mess, but I don't see any pennies off it. So, okay. So too soon. But Okay, no crafts. Those are all regular price from, yeah. Oh, they got a scanner up in here. Okay. So yeah, that's a penny. We already know these are. Let me double check. Those are all gone. The stickers. I think maybe this one. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I spoke too soon. Oh, these little bubblish ones. Oh, that's cool.
Don't tell nothing. But see, I'm gonna get her a wheelchair. I'm gonna go and buy it. And Pam said you can even let her ride.
I'm gonna just use their scanner. Don't see my phone is showing out now.
Buy it. She don't have a wheel. I'm gonna do it.
Regular price. Okay.
When she come to me,
I'm gonna grab these bubble stickers. So.
I'm doing it. I'm not kidding. Cause I'm sitting there. Cause then even Dean and Dean even paid attention.
It's so annoying hearing that conversation. Oh my gosh. I'll just double check these ones. Okay, yeah, because I never seen those ones before. So those are regular price. Penny. You need to tell me to be quiet. Alright, those are penny. Sometimes these little things down here are, but ooh, I love an anchor. If the anchor is a penny, I'm gonna be excited. Ooh, it is. Okay, so the anchor, it lights up some kind of way. I'm gonna grab some more anchors. Okay, and I did find this one. It says home. There's like a Cheeto stain on it. It was a penny. It looks just. So I found this one that says home. Let me try like one or two more. Okay, that's regular price. So on my way headed out, I did find one of the sour noodle packs that I've shown in my other content. It's just a sour noodles candy. Those are a penny. I only found one bag. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along on this quick little short Dollar Tree run. I only went to 2 stores, so I kept it kind of short. But if you guys are liking the content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. All right, now take care. Bye.